Welcome to our series on how to get the most out of your WIC food benefits. Today, we will look at the infant food options available to you and your family. Infant foods from WIC do not contain any added salt or sugar, so you can feel confident that your baby is getting a healthy start. WIC is proud to offer plenty of options for your infant, so let's dive in. This is what your family balance summary could look like. In this row, it says 000 infant cereal. In the issued column, there are 24 ounces that have been issued to you, and the available column shows there are 24 ounces available to buy infant cereal. In this row, it says 000 infant fruits and veggies. In the issued column, there are 64 ounces that have been issued to you, and the available column shows there are 64 ounces available to buy infant fruits and vegetables. In this row, it says 000 infant meats. In the issued column, there are 32 ounces that have been issued to you, and the available column shows there are 32 ounces available to buy infant meats. You can also view the food balance in the EasyWIC app. The amount available will update as you make purchases at the grocery store. Now, let's take a look at all the infant foods you can buy. You can buy different types of infant cereal in 8 or 16 ounce. Organic infant cereal is an option too. Looking back at the previous example, you could buy 3 8-ounce containers of infant cereal, or you could buy 1 16-ounce container and 1 8-ounce container of infant cereal. For infant fruits and vegetables, you can buy single and mixed varieties of stage 1 or stage 2 in the 2 or 4-ounce sizes. You also have the option of single or 2-packs and natural or organic. You do not have to buy them all in a single grocery store trip. They can be bought anytime during the benefit month. You can buy any stage of the 2.5-ounce size single ingredient infant meals. Organic and added broth and gravy are also options. Check the food list in the EasyWIC app or visit the website at azwicfoodlist.com for more information on the approved brands of infant foods. Not all infant food options may be included in every food benefit package. Some food benefit packages only allow certain types of foods. Check the family balance summary provided by your WIC clinic or the EasyWIC app for your specific food balance. If your package includes infant formula, you must purchase the exact brand, type, and size listed on your benefits. The Arizona WIC program also proudly supports breastfeeding. A 24-hour breastfeeding hotline is also available. We hope this information will improve your grocery shopping experience. If you have any questions about food items while shopping, contact the Arizona WIC Shoppers Helpline at 1-866-927-8390 or AZ WIC Shoppers Helpline at azdhs.gov. For questions about the food list or how to use your eWIC benefits, contact your local WIC clinic.